Hello, thank you for joining in. We're at day 4 of the 2023 World Cup for Rifle and Pistol here in Rio, Brazil. Getting ready for the marathon discipline, the 50-meter three-position event. Lucas Christ from France, Jan Lockbiller from Switzerland, 31. John Herman Haig lost in the mixed team event, came back, won his second World Cup individual medal yesterday. Both of his medals are from Rio, from here. Both are bronze. The master of 50 meter, 26-year-old from Hungary, István Penny. Christoph Duer, 27 years old. He just won a quota at the World Championship in Baku. Junior World Champion of 2017 in Seoul for the 50 meter three position, 26-year-old. Yukun Liu, 21, and almost the youngest, Edoardo Bonazzi from Italy. And this is the youngest one, 18, current junior world champion of both 10-meter and 50-meter disciplines, to take their position, first going the kneeling position, then the prone, and then everyone's favorite, standing position. Proven many times that whoever aces the standing find themselves in at least the upper part of the ranking. So 2 Frenchmen, 2 from Switzerland, 1 Italian, 1 Hungarian, 1 from Norway, and 1 from China. That's Haig. He's at the bottom of the rank right now. And second series of 5. They have a little over 3 minutes for each series. Kneeling position is over. Chris at the top. Then it's Duer. Side by side with Lockbichler. So changing basically everything that is changeable on the rifle. These guys have to work fast and precise. And you want to be done as soon as possible. You can see a little bit of stats from the kneeling position. And here's Haig, Roman from France, the youngster. As you can see, not too many changes after the prone position. Lockbichler at the top, followed by Duer, 1 point of a difference. Then it's Haig. Of course, these athletes get double checked. Shooting trousers back on, zip up everything. Time for the bronze medal. It's gonna be between Haig and Penny unless something really serious. Haig comes in with a 10.7. He's not giving away his spot. No way. 8.8 from Penny. 10.1. That's gonna be it for this final. Penny with the bronze, Haig with the silver, and Liu from China with the gold.